busy in the kitchen. I'm gonna bake these green shamrock shaped cupcakes. I love shamrock shakes, especially the ones from McDonald's.
To get that addictive shamrock shake vibe in the cupcake, I'm going to show you how I bake my shamrock shake cupcakes. You'll need 4 eggs, 1 cup of oil, and 1 1/3 cups of sugar in a stand mixer, and cream it together. In a bowl on the side, mix 3 1/2 cups of flour, baking powder, salt, and 2 boxes of white chocolate instant pudding in dry powder form. The white chocolate pudding tastes a lot like ice cream, so it gives your batter like an ice creamy flavor. Whisk the fluffy dry ingredients together and set aside in a bowl. You'll need milk, vanilla, and peppermint extract. Add 2 teaspoons of peppermint extract to 3 cups of milk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Mix it all together. Now alternate the addition of the minty milk mixture and the flour mixture to the creamed sugar mixture in the stand mixer. Mix well until combined. Whew, I just said mix, mixer, mixture, all in the same sentence. Just call me a cupcake DJ. My little leprechaun friends gave me their secret green leprechaun potion. The potion is squeezed from spring's freshest shamrocks. It creates the most beautiful green batter for my shamrock shake cupcakes. Bake this cupcake batter at 325 for 18 to 22 minutes. While the cupcakes are baking, I'm going to make this dreamy 2-ingredient whipped cream frosting.
There are a few different types of people in this world. There are whipped cream people, and there are take all the frosting off the cake and just eat the cake, or there are the people that like to eat just frosting and no cake. What I like about this frosting is that it's for all of those different types of people. This is a frosting that you could just take a spoon to. It's a 2-ingredient whipped cream frosting. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of the white chocolate pudding inside the mixer. And you can just save the rest for more shamrock shake cupcakes. The heavy whipping cream has to be cold, so I am pouring cold heavy whipping cream into a 2-cup liquid measuring cup. Pour that in with the pudding and whip it good. Oh, there's the handle.
Whip it good.
I believe that there is a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So I want to make these cupcakes as magical as I can. And when it comes to magic, I just like to go the extra mile. Like over the rainbow to the pot of gold. So I found these green maraschino cherries. I take some paper towel and I just dump the cherries on top of the paper towel. And this is why I do this while the cupcakes are still baking. The paper towel kind of dries the cherries out before I use them as toppers on my cupcakes.
While the cherries are still juicy on the paper towel, it's time to add some heat green edible glitter. I'm turning these green cherries into disco cherries.
Do you want to put a little milkshake on top of your milkshake? So I'm going to show you how to make your own green peppermint milk at home.
Add a dash of peppermint extract to a bowl of white milk. Take out your Leprechaun potion and add a few dots to the milk. This green minty milk mixture is going to be used to make tiny little milk shot cupcake toppers for your cupcakes. Cheers to that, Cupcake! With every swirly cloud of frosting, there is a rainbow. I'm cutting up these paper rainbow straws to be cupcake sized so we can put them on top of our frosting. We're going to be sipping out of a rainbow.
My whole kitchen smells like peppermint fantasy right now. I'm going to go check my cupcakes in the oven. I bet they're done baking. My cupcakes are done and they are perfect. Alright, so you start in the middle of the cupcake and you do a little swirl. And you pile it really high on top. I do feel lucky.